Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Hide and Seek. First, decide on a map and a game mode that allows for custom rules, like a private match. Next, designate one player as the Seeker, while all other players become hiders. Hiders should be given a head start, usually around 30 to 60 seconds, to find their initial hiding spots. Establish clear boundaries for the playing area to prevent players from going too far out of bounds. Remember, the goal is pure fun and strategic evasion. As a hider, your primary goal is to remain undetected. Look for obscure corners, high vantage points, or even blend into the environment using character skins. Avoid obvious spots like the center of a room or directly behind a single object. Try to move quietly and strategically, especially if the Seeker is nearby. Sometimes, staying completely still is your best bet, but be prepared to relocate if your spot is compromised. Think creatively to outsmart your opponent. Seekers, your mission is to find every hider within the time limit. Familiarize yourself with popular hiding spots on different maps, as hiders often gravitate towards them. Listen carefully for footsteps, weapon swaps, or even character breathing sounds, which can give away a hider's position. Consider using tactical equipment like a heartbeat sensor or a snapshot grenade to reveal hidden players. Remember, methodical searching and quick reflexes are key to a successful hunt. Good luck out there. To keep the game fair and exciting, establish clear rules before you begin. A typical round might last between 3 and 5 minutes, giving hiders enough time to hide and seekers enough time to search. If a hider is found, they might be eliminated, or perhaps they become a seeker themselves for the next round. For an extra twist, try a prop hunt style, where hiders can disguise themselves as objects. The possibilities are endless for creating your own unique hide and seek experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.